In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable link preview in Firefox so you can quickly preview links before opening them. This is a simple browser setting that can make browsing faster, easier, and a lot more convenient, especially if you like checking where a link leads before clicking through. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and features. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page where you can customize how your browser works. Now, on the left side or within the settings page, find and click Tabs and Browsing. This section controls several browsing behavior options, including tab handling and page navigation preferences. After that, scroll down until you reach the page navigation section. This is where Firefox keeps options related to how links and pages behave as you browse. Here, you should see a setting called Enable Link Previews. All you need to do is check the box next to it. As soon as you turn this on, Firefox will allow link preview functionality, making it easier to inspect links before fully opening them. Once that box is enabled, your setting is saved automatically in most cases, so you can simply close the Settings tab and continue browsing, and that's it. You've now enabled link preview in Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, but it can really improve your browsing workflow. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick and useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.